Introducing the Eco 90, an internationally patented product that transforms land's ability to absorb groundwater. Let's see how it works. This is the cross-section of an Eco 90. Made of polyethylene, it has 5 open chambers. It's key to understand that an Eco 90 is not a pipe. The 5 open chambers are a major part of the reason why it works. The Eco 90 comes in lengths of up to 12 metres. Let's look at how it is installed. It is placed vertically into a pre-drilled hole. Another key point is that the hole is 30 centimetres deeper than the Eco 90. Once installed, the Eco 90 is capped, preventing surface water from directly entering the chambers. So please understand, it is not a borehole drain. Water held in the soil surrounding the open chambers now has an escape route, because no matter what, all water craves to be below where it already is. So it starts moving into the escape route of the Eco 90. Now, because the Eco 90 is capped, the only way water can enter into the Eco 90 chambers is laterally. That's horizontal to you and me, not vertically. This means that no horrible pollutants that have found their way into the surface water can directly enter the Eco 90. As the water enters the Eco 90 chambers, it experiences gravity pull, drawing it towards the bottom of the Eco 90. To a depth of 12 metres, the head of the water in the chambers is now exerting significant pressure at the bottom of the Eco 90, forcing water out of the chambers into surrounding unsaturated soil stratus. In technical speak, the Eco 90 enjoys high levels of discharge velocity. In addition, unsaturated soils start pulling water from saturated soils surrounding the Eco 90. As water is forced out, more water can enter the chambers. Surface water is now being drawn into the soil above the Eco 90 cap because the water that used to be there has disappeared into the Eco 90 chambers. So we now have former surface water creating more head pressure. That in turn forces water into lower soil stratus. The result is a virtuous cycle of nuisance surface water being drawn into the chambers and then transported to multiple thirsty, unsaturated soil stratus that are present between the surface and 12 metres below ground. It gets better. The Eco 90 has no moving parts, needs no external energy source, and because it becomes part of the soil structure, it never needs cleaning. Its unique patented design succeeds by combining gravity, soil's ability to hold water, and then water's enthusiasm to keep moving downhill whenever and wherever possible. When Eco 90s are installed in an array, they form an unrivaled natural stormwater drain up to 12 metres deep, dealing with stormwater in situ. Here at Groundwater Dynamics, we know how many Eco 90s are needed for any standing water or drainage projects, including satisfying drainage design statements and sustainable drainage system regulations for planning permissions. In most cases, we place the Eco 90s under an infiltration trench that acts as a buffer from heavy rainfall, capturing stormwater. And then the Eco 90 system removes that water to deeper soils. Eco 90 is the answer to your flood, standing water, saturated ground or drainage contingent planning permission, and there is no longer a need to look for the water board's drains to make your stormwater someone else's problem. Do yourself and the environment a major favour. Deal with your standing water or drainage needs on site. The Eco 90. It already has a Hall of Fame. Go on, make it your go-to solution for drainage design and installation.